Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video we are going to learn how to make the best out of the hottest airdrop game on Telegram right now, which is the Hamster Kombat mini game. So if you already have an account, I will show you how to make the best out of it. If you are new, you didn't have an account yet, you can click the link in the description and then register a new account. So if you just registered on the game, you will be getting a 5,000 free token for using my link to register. And if you are a premium user, then you'll be getting 25,000 free token. So when you first registered, go to this section where the white dot is, the end section. Then first of all, claim your daily reward, and remember to do this every day. Then secondly, come here and then click on join Telegram channel, and then click here and join the channel. I've already done that, so I'm not going to do it again. Then join and come back here and then claim your 5,000 token. Do the same for the others here, the YouTube channel one, and then the Twitter one, which is X, and then choose your exchange here. You can choose any of this exchange: Binance, Bybit, OKX, BingX, all of them. You can choose just any one of them and then get another free token. Then after that, you can come back here and then click here to mine your free token, and whenever your energy is full. That is not all. To get the best possible highest number of token in this game, you have to come to the mine section over here, and then you will see a lot of stuffs over here. What you have to do is look at the one that has the highest profit per hour, and then invest into it. Invest into the one that has the highest profit per hour. Maybe when you first started, some of this will not be unlocked for you, but the requirement will be like, let's see, for example, this one is locked. This particular one, the margin trading 75x is locked for me. So how to unlock it is to you. First of all, reach level 10 on short squeeze before I can unlock this one. So when you newly started, you have some of the locked ones over here. So you see the requirement to unlock them, which is, you see the requirement under it. So when you first come, you see the requirements to unlock it under it directly. So just do that and then come back to it. As you progress on, you have most of them unlocked. And also, if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions to ask, feel free. I will be available to answer every questions. You can leave your questions in the comment sections, or you can join my Telegram channel and the Telegram group for more updated airdrops. Or if you want to join early, just join my Telegram channel to see the most current airdrops incoming. And then if you have any question, join the channel group, and I'll be there to answer every single questions one-on-one. So don't miss out. Also, one important thing to remember is, on the mine section, every day there will be a new combos over here, which when you upgrade or invest into them with your tokens, you'll be getting free 5 million tokens. So don't miss out on that one. And this is why you have to join my Telegram channel, because I'll be posting updates daily on these pairs, these 3 combos, so that you don't miss out on the 5 million tokens. So you can see this will reset after 5 hours. So after 5 hours, new combos will be coming. Then you can visit my Telegram channel to see what are the requirements to unlock these 5 million. They are very easy to do. So just make sure you join my Telegram channel and you'll be getting updates over there. Don't miss out on this crypto airdrop. This is the hottest one after Notcoin. If you miss Notcoin, don't miss Hamster's Kombat coin. See you in the next video. Happy hunting for airdrops. Bye bye.